The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeencollege.edu.in.
Kekong ida sisa nongrang kepada ke pulit lane ke DGP bertemai jong jela hadin ke jing pentip sikipaj ba jong jela ba singi palai jong man ka tayo kandi ke singi ke bagane ke pulit kan ye kendu ye kipaj ba bantip ye ki jinge jong kipaj ba ke jela kabala ban kedo bagade ke sin ke ban ningkong ban yosngo bandon ki bakum gine ke pulit ki ban bu da ke singi ke bakerpang ban ye kendu ye kipaj ba Om tangkata Henry bakar na gilat patai kubor kal ongru bagi we gisingi ru kila abani kendo Henry kidon kam ban bot pat ye kendon ban hab ban pan jingbet namar ki kam ki babon bakum ga officer kadon kam ban trai Hanin gisingi kata ha kal lai pau tarik ujumang arcar arab saw hadu ar teli ki kenhon kila yolat ban ye kendo ye kong ida shisha nongrang kentup ye ki rushimet bat ki kenhon ha office trikam jong ka director general of police hanong ba Shillong Hakati kejingnya kendo ikong ida sisa orang ilai tu bagi don kanto kene ki bawan kendo rengkat bat kijing ai jumut bat kanto kene pat kiwan rengkat kijing pensengau ye kijing bat kijing pan jing hiram
to hakaba ningkong ai ko blai pisia ki press ki baya don lang mentah kan bat ni nagaliang ka jongi ngiwan nagaliang ka megalaya parent associations for the disabled ban kendo ya i madam DGP tiga kajing kendo jongi i kalong halor ki cases ki pangi ngi kendo ya ki disable ba ki pulit ki long ki ba ngi shambat ki kai te ka ai ka ba ngi akran nang ne je ka dai ka wai ka social security bat ka wai pat ka traffic security kita ki artele ki ba ngi khamya stress bhabat i but kabalai nang tabade kabangi akran kalong bamenta ka training jogi police kadang yat haman lagi district jong ka police training tingi ogi ibalai pimpenrung yang ka subject on disability to police nang bagi police kan suatu how to handle and how to understand and to aware people with disability especially with mental retarded people and the impairment those who have no sound hearing or speech problem. Many police also they are not aware there about these things. So that's what the failure arise mo. So for that reason kadai ka kawai lagi te ila menjuri ngi kata but iong ba ka training menta kaya chkmat iong pilong ready ni amban wan ban I subject ban I jingkrian hab si kenta haman lagi ki jaka iong yes ngi kloy iong okay by next week ngan penkre training kata kadai ka ba ngisu tena dah isim no te ya karai kalau ngingi tang terua kat ba ila peding ya kata te kata kadai kecing sutrat mengi ba ngirungi dan kam kan ni kadai nomor nila syam ha kecing trikam jongi kum ki NGOs ke biadai bat kini ka ki cases paper ni matang ki sok thang ki sok bang tingim yo te chanongin lek bat bagi lek maknaru recognition ngim yo kata kadi ka ba penlong yang iba ngido nong ngi kelalong nang anna syuk Henry abang ipet menta ngi kambha uba anna u khamtep ban yo uba khleman ti kadi kata te iru i hap hai kata iong kadai kata ka ba iru i isu tenat kan
te kumno i pen sengo pat ni lang ikong
kumno
kuni ikong i pen sengo chupi siapa
ti iong ngastraten ba ngayo i kani ka subject ka ba ka disability kumenta barak we ka percaya ke ya face ke challenges prepare ki kendo te lada ngi kum ki public la ne kum ka police department la ne kum ka government kam ke subjimut kim sultho ya kane kalong ka ba ya hadu kata te kata ka daw penting ya kane bat ida sngo ban in shimki kan ya kane ka kam te kadan ka we ka case ka balaja hapo bornihat khat pramer kamenta kan dap sisnyam khat nyutrik September bagawai ka kena kabadang kat kendai seliam karta mental retarded kapila kasyang tu kan kapoi susurak kayo an accident te accident maka baka cross kali te accident u driver ba ikata ngingim te ngimla ban ai kadona haba utahi u driver u yalam ya ka syapo thana te layu taga jing mensal te ki pulut ke alam no e ka sipo PHC sa borni dan nang siu ong ngim la kan ga ade ka major ki pulut nang to kira e ka sipo hati kamjan sipo hati te hadin ngi ki khot yang ngi ami nang ne na sulong na bat sen gupta ni ala teng te gila pois siu ki ok kala yam te hadin kata ki ong ngin hable ya ka postmortem ngi up ya kata ka postmortem re kilong lahe
Kami objektif, kami report.
Hado mentas katnyo tarik September ar pusau kandap sisna puni kena report kami kasakut na polis ting ngila let snitap congkang ngila polis depan sa polis Bornihat ngilia tuduk kata kampulan ngidai mengiban let yo pulet kasongangi ya pipim dei ban komta tingirungi haban sap no habau pulet ula siki ya kata kam tingirungi ngap no raap di bener tigi bahaya ki lali mi hadian lai bener te kata ka jing jiang ta jing postmortem hang ta ka balong kum no ngimtep ka balong kum to metasis nem at least tangi report ibangin sutnat ka family ka yang ka siam ka sutnat tangkat tagai
Mata
ni betul and she take up the matter yang within 2-3 days I'll let you know she said
ya kini lah potong bakal kadi ke jimbakla jong ketana pulit hani kisnam belada bikin melali eko kam
ngam barakon tengah dong phimo kum tamu ki doni ki chai hang no ru om ta pulit buat ka government hari ni buat no pai baru ke jimbakla ka don ki keren he ki keren khau ni tang ba ka hok te ka hok kahok ke jing sisa ngimla ban like dan ngimla ban bure ya ke jing sisa ngila ban bure kan no sen re ya kahok le jong bat ke jing sisa minum la.
It was a very what should I say, interesting experience and a very enlightening one. There were various people from various walks of life had come in and various things. Some of them had come in with grievances, some of them had come in with requests for help. A couple of them were related to issues with our serving policemen. Two of them were with issues of policemen who had died while on duty and requests for a compassionate appointment, etc. We have noted most of the things. There were a few who had just come in on a congratulatory note, so I had a couple of minutes with all of them, and some which is not in my charter, but since they had come, so then accordingly advised them to take it up with the concerned authorities.
The immediate request which you can address.
Some requests for. Wait, let me tell you what I can do immediately. Okay, there. There was two delegations, two groups which come in with regard to people with disabilities. They had wanted some kind of a training capsule for especially for the traffic policemen, personnel so that they can address the issues for people with disabilities. That we will be implementing immediately. There was one request for some kind of public nuisances being carried out in different parts of the city. That we will address immediately. Then other things would take a bit of time. There was also wanted to conduct awareness programs, and there was a complaint from. Not a complaint, a request from these taxi aggregators. So unfortunately, that is not my charter, so I've told them then. And immediately, the other things, no. Those are the issues that would be addressed immediately.
So since it is a new initiative, how do you see the response?
I would say it was pretty good response for the thing. There were quite a few calls asking if we could come on other days. I said yes, but on other days you would have to take a prior appointment. Today you could just walk in and come.
And today altogether how many?
I have 22 groups. Some of them were just individuals. Some of them would come in groups of 2s and 3s. So,
Was there any issue? Especially crime against women?
Crime against women, not. Yes, there was one.